Hello Lions, this is your Pre-AP Biology Conditions Affecting the Human Body Research Video Helper. You can go to readylibrary.com and click on the Pre-AP Bio Conditions Affecting the Human Body link, or you can go straight to macandvia.com. If you go here, you're going to click here. This video helper will be here. Once you click on that link for Mac and Via, or you go to Mac and Via, you'll need to put in Ready High School as your school, your 6-digit student ID, and your 8-digit birthday will be your logon. Once you're inside the Mac and Via group, here is a link to the assignment sheet and rubric. And then here is a list of the topics. I highly suggest, especially if you have a difficult topic to spell, that you copy and paste these topics into the databases when you are searching to make sure that you spell them correctly. Alright, so I'm just going to pick one to use, and I'm going to show you some of the different resources down here. This of course is just a link to get you into your Google Drive. You will be using APA citations for this assignment. You will need to create a references page in Google Drive or somewhere to keep track of all your citations. You will need to put a citation for anything where you use information from that resource, and also any images that you use in this assignment will also need to be cited. I highly suggest that you always start with an online encyclopedia. There are the one that's in here is Britannica School, so you can click on Open Now. Once you're in here, you can copy and paste your search term, and you can click on the article. Once you are in here, actually let's go back here. Once you are in here, you will click on the Cite button right here to get your APA citation. Make sure this says APA and copy and paste this into the references page for your assignment. If you want to use any of the images in Britannica School, you will need to click on the actual image, and then you can drag and drop it anywhere you need to. Click on Cite right here, and you will see, again, make sure it's APA and copy and paste this citation into your references page. The next resource that I'm going to suggest that you use is probably going to be Student Resources and Context. And once you go in here, do make sure that you log in to your Google account, sign in with Google, so that you can keep any of these resources in your Google Drive that you would like to. Come up here and copy and paste your search term. And then you'll notice there's reference, biographies, images, all kinds of different sources over here. I'm probably going to suggest that you stick with references. And so let's say you want to use this particular reference article. Up here is the citation tools. Click on that. Make sure you choose APA. Copy and paste this into your references page. And then if you want to download this article into your Google Drive, just click download, and it will save it into your Google Drive. The next resource I'm going to suggest is the Gale Health and Wellness Resource Center. This is specifically health related topics. So you can come in here, copy and paste your search term. And then up here you'll notice there's books and fact sheets, magazines and journals, drug and herbal remedies, pamphlets, media, and news. You're probably going to mostly want to stick with books and fact sheets, but you can click on this. And in this particular database, you don't have the choice of APA or MLA. So whatever citation they give you, just copy and paste that and put it in your references page. And then of course you can use any of the information from this resource. The gvrl, actually, so if you come up here to EBSCOhost, EBSCOhost is going to give you a similar source in the Consumer Health Complete. So if you click on this Consumer Health Complete, and copy and paste your search term. And then again, you'll have evidence-based reports, encyclopedias, reference books. You may want to use encyclopedias or reference books for this. And so you can come in here and click on any of these articles that are of particular interest. The PDF full text will give you the article. Okay, and so once you have, oops, I just clicked out of it. Sorry. Let's go back. Consumer Health Complete. Search. Reference books. Jaundice. Once you are ready to get your citation, you're going to have to actually go to print, and then you're going to want to make sure that it is citation format APA, and then print again. You are not actually printing, so you're going to click cancel, and then your citation for your references page is going to be right here under references. So you'll copy and paste that and use that in your under references page. A couple of other sources that you may want to use: ProQuest. In ProQuest, you are going to want to choose the health and medicine right here. So choose that, copy and paste your search term. And then over here you can choose your document type if you're looking for an article or a feature or a case study. You can also come up here and choose the type of resource that you are looking for. Okay, and then in any of these, once you click on the resource, you can go cite right here, and it's going to give you a citation for APA. Make sure it says APA, copy and paste this into your references page. ebrary is going to be a lot like gvrl, and so again, you can come in here and type in your search term, and then you may need to narrow it down by using these filters up here. And so then you can click on any of these resources. If you want to use this book, you'll want to make sure this is APA, copy and paste this into your references list. And then you're going to want to use, because these are books, you're either going to want to use the index or the table of contents here to guide you to find exactly what you need in the book for that particular topic. Okay, and gvrl as well is going to be books. So once you are in gvrl, this is another one with the Google Path, so you can sign into your Google account and then put in your search term. And then let's say and so then over here you can choose by document type, okay, if you want to. And let's say you want to use this one, your citation tools right here, click on APA, copy and paste this into your references list. You can download this directly into your Google Drive, but gvrl is going to be another one with lots of ebooks and reference materials. If you are going to use any images in your assignment, you need to make sure that you are citing your images. And so let's say you want to use this one, you will choose cite and then make sure it's APA, copy and paste this into your references page, and then you can drag and drop this image anywhere where you're going to use it. As always, as you're doing your research, if you need any help or anything, you can always email me, lambertn@friscoisd.org, or stop into the library and I'll be happy to help you with any of the research related questions you have with this assignment. Good luck, Lions.